De vuelta. Me descubrieron comiendo la torta de mi cumple.
Don't worry, teacher.
¿Cómo
En mi
estamos?
momento no tenía que invitar, teacher.
No, pero todo en virtual, pero hoy día las invitaciones son todas virtuales.
Algo.
Le dio el tiempo para realizar las tareas. Las páginas 124, 125 y 126.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Ok. Verificamos entonces. Page 124. I think this exercise is too easy for us. Answer the question like the example. Use to. For example, can Johnny afford the new sports cars? That's easy. No. No, he can't.
Two, sí.
It's too expensive. ¿Ya hicimos esta?
Sí.
Yes, teacher.
El siguiente.
Very ahora.
The next. This exercise is very easy. Answer the questions like the example. Use very. Where's the next gas station? Oh, it's very far from here. Hugo Jara, number 1.
Okay, teacher. They are very big. Oh, the football players are very big.
They are very big. Okay, Carlos Riveros, number 2.
How is the weather in Arizona in summer? It's very hot.
Excellent. Irma, number 3.
Teacher, ¿me escuchas?
Yep.
The room in the new hotel. The room in the new hotel are very large.
The room
In the new hotel are very large.
in the new hotel. La H no
Hotel.
se pronuncia. Hotel.
Are very large.
Are very. Y la R en
Large.
very no es very, es very.
Very. Okay, teacher.
Very. They are very large. Okay, great.
Okay, teacher.
Giselle, now next. 4.
Okay, teacher. How are the lectures at the university? They are very interesting.
Marcos.
Okay, teacher. How is your chemistry class? It is very difficult.
Excellent. Walter, next.
How is Freddie uncle doing? He is very healthy.
Healthy, great.
Healthy.
Natalia, next.
What do you think about the new employee? I think that he's very intelligent.
It's very intelligent, okay. Rebecca, next.
How is your history class? My history class is very easy.
It's very easy. Excellent, great. Now, this book's too boring to recommend to anyone else. Remember, too is having a negative connotation. Very is a great quantity, but is reasonable. Leticia Llano, number 1 is for you.
Dallas is very big. That's why I like to visit there. Sorry, Peter.
Thank you. Thanks for reading the example. Now do number
Mr.
one,
Brown-
A and B.
Mr. Brown is very lenient. I feel relaxed in his class. Mr. Smith is too lenient. I'm not learning enough in his class.
Excellent, great. Brenda, number two.
Mr. Brown is very lenient. I feel relaxed in his class. Mr. Smith is too lenient. ¿Cómo se pronuncia, teacher?
Number
Lenient.
two. Brenda, number two.
Sorry. The Riverside restaurant is very expensive, but it's nice to come here on a special occasion. The Ritz restaurant is too expensive. I can afford to eat there.
Excellent. Gloria, number three.
Harvey drives too fast. He is always getting tickets. Marvin drives very fast, but he's a good driver and he always has control of the car.
Okay, excellent. Thank you so much. So I think everybody understood this issue and doing a great job. Rebecca is from page 126. Choose the correct word to complete the sentences. Number one.
This coffee is very strong, but that's how I like it.
Very strong is nice. Number two, Luciana.
This coffee is too strong. I can't drink it.
Great. Francisco, next.
Okay. John is very short to play basketball.
John is?
Very short to play basketball.
What do you think? Short, very or too short?
I think it's very because he only can't play basketball, but for example, in the next statement, he can find pants, for example.
Okay, let's see. But you have to pay attention that basketball players are tall men, not
Yes.
short men. So it's very hard for a a short man to play basketball because it's short.
Okay.
In this case, number three, I think it's too short to play basketball. And in number four, it's hard to find pants to fit him, but you can find. You have a possibility to find. It's difficult, but you can find. So number three is too, and number four, it must be very. Number three, too, number four, very. Carlos Riveros, number six.
Roger's house is too far to go to in 1 hour.
Roger's house is
Too far.
Remember that two are the meaning of two is having a negative connotation. And when you say, but it's nice, it's a nice drive, it doesn't have
Teacher,
a
él
negative
está leyendo
connotation.
el number 5.
Number
Que era
5
el
is
que...
teacher.
Ah, no, ¿verdad? Perdón, number 5 está bien. Sí, Jigma. Sorry, my mistake again. Roger's house is too far to go in 1 hour. Yes, too far is good. ¿Y quién fue la metiche? Number 6, para la metiche.
Yo fui teacher.
Giselle, please, number 6.
Roger's house is very far, but it's a nice drive.
Okay, now we're talking. Yeah. Marcos Gomez, number 7.
This box is too heavy for Sarah to carry.
Excellent, great. Diana Lescano, number 8.
Okay, this box is very heavy, but Pete can carry it.
Excellent, great. Okay. So, too and very. And, ¿cómo estamos? Estamos como para seguir o paramos un rato. O paramos.
Continue, teacher.
Ok. Y para continuar tenemos que... Vamos a dejar este regret para mañana, página 127, 128, 129. Y in grammar, verb plus passive plus to infinitive of this direct object. No, vamos a dejar más el passive, que es fácil para mañana, y vamos a entonces, página 127. The student will express regret. Okay, this function exercise is for you to express regret using I wish I hadn't stayed up so late last night. This is expressing regret about the past situation. I wish I hadn't stayed up so late last night. I'm really tired now. Read these sentences. They express regret. First of all, we are going to read sentences. After that, we are going to read the story and you answer the questions. And finally, page 130, like a homework, you're going to write your regrets, okay? Complete the statements with something you wish you had or you hadn't done. And that's it for today. Let's do that. Let's read the examples and then answer to the questions. Luciana, would you like to read for us number 1, page 127?
Okay, teacher. Mr. Peterson is sorry that he was so lenient with his son. If he had been a little stricter with him, he might not have gotten into so much trouble at school.
Thank you so much. Francisco, number 2, Gloria 3, Diana 4, Rebecca 5, Natalia 6, Walter 7, Marcos 8, Giselle 9, Alana number 10. Francisco, number 2.
Okay. Terry knows she shouldn't have worn her jacket. She's freezing.
And Sarah wishes that Jan would have been more helpful during the move. Most of the time, she just sat around and talked on the phone.
Great.
I wish I hadn't volunteered to work weekends for the next 3 months.
Okay. Rebecca?
I'm sorry, teacher. Can you repeat, please?
Number 5.
Okay, so I'm sorry that the kids were disappointed when we had to cancel the party.
Thank you. Next.
He feels guilty because
okay,
what
again.
got...
Natalia, again, number 6.
Okay. He feels guilty because what he said got him into trouble.
Okay, thank you. Walter?
I knew it was going to rain. Why didn't I bring my umbrella?
Next.
Why did I buy these shoes? I don't have a thing to wear them with them.
Thank you. Next.
John, you shouldn't have spent so much money on this card. We could have gotten a cheaper car and used the money we saved for a vacation next summer.
Excellent. And the last one, Alana.
I really regret not going to college. I decided that I don't want to have that regret forever. So I am enrolling at the university next fall.
Excellent. So good. Now, regrets. I've had a few. Read the story silently and then answer the questions in writing, maybe. ¿Alguien quiere leer? Who wants to read these paragraphs?
I can, teacher.
Please, do it.
My name is George Wilson. I am a student at the university. My professor asked me to write a paper on some of regrets in my life. Here are parts of the paper. My biggest regret is losing the friendship of Kinney. When we were in high school, we got into an argument. He accused me of lying to him. When he apologized to me, I was angry, and I didn't accept his apology. I wish that I had because we were never close again. Then there was the time that my friends and I went to Washington, D.C. for the weekend. We had a tour scheduled for 10:30 a.m. We knew it would take us 45 minutes to get there. Yet we didn't even leave the hotel until 9:25. We missed the tour. I know that we should have left earlier. I really wish that I hadn't dropped out of soccer. I might have gotten a scholarship if I had continued to play through high school. Since I didn't get a scholarship, I really wish that I had put more money aside for my college education. It is hard having to work 2 jobs and go to class too.
Excellent, Marcos. Thank you. And now please answer the questions. Francisco Benitez, number 1. What was George Wilson's biggest regret?
His biggest regret is losing the friendship of Jim Kinney.
Are you sure? And why he lost the friendship?
Because he didn't accept his apology.
Okay, so the answer is he wishes he had accepted his friend's apology. He wishes that he had accepted his friend's apology.
But teacher in the story said my biggest regret is losing the friendship of Jim Kinney.
Yeah.
And the question is, what was your Wilson biggest regret?
Yes, but did you use the wish form to do that?
Okay. Sorry. No.
Because remember, we are having exercises for using the rules that we are learning. You can say that, but use the form with wish. Can you do that? Can you tell us? He wishes what?
He wished that he had accept his apologies.
Yeah, accepted. Okay, he wishes that he had accepted her friend's apology. Her friend's apology. His friend's apology, better. Okay, let's go with Gloria, number 2. Were there any regrets about the trip to Washington, D.C.? Were there any regrets about the trip to Washington, D.C.?
Profe, ahí también hay que usar el wish.
No, in this case, no.
Ya me confundiste todo.
Yes or no?
Were there any regret? Yes, they regret about miss the tour, maybe.
Yeah. In this case, is only yes, the answer. Yes. Rebecca,
yes, teacher.
Rebecca, number 3. If so, what were they?
One of the regrets that he had is the fact that they missed the tour that they had on Washington.
Okay. Yes. Number 4, let's see, Irma Gomez. Number 4, how does George feel about not playing soccer? How does George feel about not playing soccer? He wishes what? Ahora entiendo. No funciona mi computadora, no funciona. Y cuando no quería hacer el ejercicio.
Estoy, teacher. I don't know nomás. How does George feel about not playing soccer? Or no jugar fútbol?
Traducina. He wishes that he
I don't know, teacher.
I really wish that I hadn't dropped out of soccer.
Dropped out of soccer. Oh, okay.
He wishes that he hadn't stopped playing soccer. He feels that he might have lost a scholarship because he dropped out of. And the last but not the least, Jonathan, what does he regret about money?
He wishes he had put
He
more
wishes.
money. Okay.
He wishes.
He wishes he had put more money aside for my college education.
For his college. For his college.
His college education.
Yes, great. Thank you so much. Y llevan como tarea la página 130. I don't know why I didn't take that class. Complete the statements with something you wish you had or you hadn't done. Okay? It's for you to answer.
Okay, teacher.
I think it's enough for today, and let's continue tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to continue with verb plus passive to infinitive as the direct object, and audio lessons maybe. That's it.
Okay, teacher.
Thank you, and let's continue tomorrow.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Review everything. Be ready for tomorrow class. Bye.
¿Qué es lo que hizo ahí, Leticia?
Bye, teacher.
Bye.